with much of the industry, including dealership showrooms, shut down, Matthews took a gamble that he said continues to pay dividends. A number of Volkswagen dealerships in eastern Canada had inventory they wanted to sell, and he saw an opportunity in having more cars in stock once the sales doors reopened. I bought 85 Atlas SUVs, I bought them all, Matthews said. When we started selling cars again, I had cars. As with many automakers, Volkswagen's vehicle allocation is based on sales. And because Matthews was selling more cars, his allocation of vehicles from the automaker increased. It really catapulted us in a positive direction, Matthews said. Ever since we bought those 85 cars, it created a positivity. After a strong 2021, the dealership saw a reduced allocation in 2022 that resulted in a sales dip. We dug back in and took some more chances, Matthews said. I took any car I could get from other dealers. For example, he traded a hard-to-find upscale Golf R to another dealership in exchange for several less expensive vehicles. As a result, Volkswagen stay. John's increased sales volume and earned its allocations back. The much larger Volkswagen stores has also helped boost sales, Matthews said. A bigger building on a larger lot allows for more inventory, more staff to help customers, and greater efficiency, especially in service. Staff at the Volkswagen and Audi stores has grown to 90 today from 47 in 2019. We invest heavily in our facilities, our tooling, and our infrastructure, Matthews said. Volkswagen stay. John's was a finalist in the retail operations category of the 2024 Canadian Automobile Dealers Association (CADA) Laureate Program, the second such honor for the family. Bill Matthews' Volkswagen Audi, under his father's ownership, received a CADA Dealers of Excellence Award in 1999. Because much of the new car sales growth has come from conquest customers, the dealership has focused on providing them with enhanced after-sales service, said Matthews. Its 2-4U service program provides new car buyers with 2 years or 30,000 kilometers of free regular maintenance, such as oil changes. Matthews said the program cost is covered by the dealership. The growth has also enabled the store to hire a marketing manager, who helped overhaul the sales funnel. Strategies include boosting online interactions and adding scheduling flexibility to accommodate customers. The staff has really bought in, Matthews said. By paying staff well and offering scheduling flexibility, the dealership has attracted highly talented people. Our core people, they are just amazing individuals. When you find the right people, you don't let them go. The dealership is slowly building its used vehicle sales. It sold about 300 in 2024 and has targeted sales of 400 in 2025. Matthews said it is extremely difficult to get used car inventory in Newfoundland. The ferry time between North Sydney, NS, to Argentia, nearest day. John's is about 16 hours and runs mid-June to late September, according to Marine Atlantic. The year-round ferry from North Sydney to Port aux Bosques, Newfoundland, requires 900 kilometers of trucking on the island. I can't afford to buy any car at auction, said Matthews. It's so expensive to ship them here. Catch up on the top news of the week with our video round-up. We'll email you a summary of the video and a link to watch. Title: Hyundai Canada launches non-profit to fight childhood cancer, and other news from across Canada. Content: Toronto, Hyundai Canada and its network of 226 dealerships will donate money from sales of new vehicles to support childhood cancer research. That will amount to about $4 million in 2025, the company said. Hyundai Canada and its dealers launched the Hope on Wheels non-profit February 10, awarding an inaugural $1 million to Sick Kids Foundation to support new treatments and clinical trials. Donations from vehicle sales are retroactive to Jan. 1. Hyundai did not disclose the amount donated for each vehicle, but said the contributions will be shared between its Canadian corporate unit and dealers. Hope on Wheels was established by the automaker and its dealers in the United States in 1998. Hyundai plans to roll the program out globally, with Canada as its second market. David Kennedy. Quebec City, LeddarTech Holdings Inc. has scored its first design win for its autonomous driving software with a mainstream commercial vehicle maker. The company said February 3 that the unnamed vehicle maker selected LeddarTech as software to underpin the Advanced Driver Assistance System (ADAS) in a vehicle planned for the 2028 model year. LeddarTech's fusion and perception software, which interprets data from onboard vehicle sensors, beat out competitors following a comprehensive evaluation, the company said. In this episode of the Ally All Ears podcast, host Emma Hancock interviews Kelly Olson, Senior Director of Operations for Smart Auction at Ally Financial, about the importance of quality control in online wholesale auctions. Olson discusses advancements in online auction platforms, highlighting the importance of detailed condition reports, AI technology for damage detection, and the evolving incorporation of electric vehicle information. All aimed at building trust and reliability for dealers purchasing pre-owned inventory. LeddarTech expects to begin booking revenue for engineering work on the program this year, while it anticipates per-vehicle royalty revenue in late 2027. David Kennedy. Edmonton, Jared Priestner, the owner